Okay, dito ang orta po the second contestant tayo. Kahit iya pa mamatay barok ni Jason Fielpi. Ayan, damdama di third contestant tayo po. Into no, after a short break, ngayong ag-intermission mo madatay barok kita. At kadumami ngayon may toy. Mr. Jason Fielpi Seriales, may kaman barok ag-intermission. Ayan. Ayan, kat... tanggalin mo yung bag mo, anak. Balang, pakifocus mo yung DJ camera. Tatayo ka, anak. Hindi, upo ka na lang. Maupo ka na lang. Ayan ka. Oh, sige. Ayan. So, this time, hanlang apo nga siya akti kumangkasyon. Pagpadasip mga pakantaan na kita, anak ko. Hanga contestant, ulit ka hanga contestant dati barok kay kumot nga ma-expose iso na when it comes to music. Ta siyempre, anarigat mo siya mo lang ti makamo sino tumang ituloy dati nga trabaho no nga lagi ti anak ko. So to sing When I Was Your Man, ladies and gentlemen, my beloved son, Jason Fielpi Seriales. Isagot mo man anak ko kada gito'y agbubuya nga manarimaan. Daati mo Ella. Di ba yung Joseph? Ayan. Anyway, sinong gusto mong handugan? Magsalita ka. Ayan, may kadwa nga anak ko apo, tay panganay ko kat mangisuro-suro di jet Montessori, dito matatamay kadwa, kana dito di burudik ko may sangam kumakarati, kaya na di burudik ko, kaya naka taekwondo. Ngarot to sing When I Was Your Man, Jason Fielpi Seriales.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about it, all it does is just tear me down. As my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have give you all my hours when I had that chance. Take you to every party, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways. Cause a good, strong woman like you to walk out my life. Now I never get to clean up the mess I've made. And it hurts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had that chance. Take you to every party, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Though it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand, give you all his hours. When he has the chance, take you to every party. 'Cause I remember how much you love to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done